Hey everybody, we're back here with another video. Today we're going to do something really cool. Now, did you know that you can draw a circuit with just a pencil? And if we do it right, our drawing will light up a real LED. Yep, so graphite, the stuff that's inside your pencil, can actually conduct electricity. So that means that electricity can travel through it, kind of like through a wire. All right, so you ready to try it?
Yes.
All right, so the parts we'll need are
Piece of paper, battery, LED, pencil, and alligator clip wires.
all right. So the first thing we'll do is we'll draw, all right? So we're going to make a couple of thick lines, all right? Let's make a couple of thick lines. We'll color them in really dark so that electricity can move more easily. Perfect. The darker and thicker the pencil lines are, the better the electricity will flow. All right, so we're going to take our LED. Now the long leg is the positive one and the short leg is the negative one. So we're going to take our LED and we're going to connect our alligator clip wires to it. All right, so I'm going to use the black wire on the positive leg. And we'll connect the red alligator clip wire to the negative leg. All right. And the other end of each alligator clip will connect to one of the lines that we have drawn, okay? We connected the positive leg of the LED to this black alligator clip wire, all right? And the negative leg of the LED is connected to the red, all right? So we want to make sure that when we touch the battery to our drawn on pads here, right, that the terminals are correct, right? So we want positive here, negative here. All right, positive, negative. All right, so now when we place our battery down, our LED should light up. And if we cut off the light, you can see just that. All right, and if I remove the battery, it cuts off. When I place the battery back on, it cuts back on. All right, off, on. All right, now if we leave the battery on, right, we leave it connected, and let's say, let me just move this up just a little bit, connect it, and if we start to erase part of the path, look at that. It's like our bridge is out, right? We erased some of the road that our electricity was traveling through, so now it can't get across, right? Now, if we add that back, the light comes back on. How cool is that? So we just made a working circuit with a drawing. Isn't that cool? So we turned pencil markings into wires. This will work for any design, right? We did something simple with just a short line and circles on the ends, but you can make something even more elaborate, right? You could even make a maze. It would still work. All we need is for the lines to be colored in dark and thick, and for there to be a place to connect a battery, right? And that's it. So like I said, imagine that what we've drawn here is a road for the electricity, right? And you're just giving it more road with a more elaborate design. To recap what we learned here, graphite can conduct electricity, which means that electricity is able to flow through it. You can visualize a circuit as a loop. For our circuit, the electricity flowed from the battery through the wire, through the LED, and back to the battery. The LED is polarized, meaning it has a positive leg and a negative leg, and they can be distinguished by their lengths, where the long leg is the anode or the positive leg, and the short leg is the cathode or the negative leg. It must be oriented properly in a circuit because electricity can only flow through the LED in one direction. Comment below and tell us what designs you would draw for your circuits. We can't wait to hear your ideas. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, like and subscribe so you can be notified when we're back in the lab. Thanks for watching.